Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
We're going to be talking about Bolt in Canada. Canada.
Canada. Yeah. So Bolt is pretty big.
They're coming to Canada, and they're going to be putting a little competition over onto Uber and Lyft.
Yeah,
what do you think there?
Bolt is a European company, established in Europe anyway. But they're coming to Canada, so you guys have more choice as far as rideshare is concerned. You're going to say, well, what's the difference? They all suck. Somebody will say that. I'm pretty sure in the chat. That's why I'm not looking at the chat now. You know what I mean? So
well, you know what? Here's the thing. When you have more competition, you get more people who are saying, oh, you know what? This one's going to be paying a little bit better. I'm going to go on this platform. This one's, a little bit cheaper on the passenger. I'm going to use this platform because we see passengers doing that all the time now. They're opening up Uber as default, then they're going to Lyft as secondary, and they're pricing the trip. Whichever is cheaper is the one they're going with because prices are pretty much at the consumer maximum right now. And so you can play with that a little bit, but with more competition, that means there's more drive to lower rates for passengers and raise rates for drivers. So if a driver is driving on, say, Bolt at 10% more earnings or 20% more earnings, that driver is going to be more apt to turn that app on or take more precedent. So let's say they're sitting around waiting for rides to come in. They're going to probably be on Bolt more or trying for that more. So yeah, when there's more competition, consumers and drivers could potentially win on that.
Yeah, no question. And I wouldn't be surprised. Bolt, they're next door now, right? Make a foray into the U.S. at some point. So they're going to go into Toronto, Ontario, Mississauga, Markham, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, and so for all our Canadian audience, let us know. Let us know how the onboarding is. Let us know how the earnings are, because we know we have a decent audience in Canada. Sergio at therideshareguy.com. If you do sign on, give us the process. Tell us how it's doing. In fact, if you want to come on behind the wheel, come on behind the wheel. Look, man, more choices for the driver and more choices for the rider is always a good thing, right? Yep. Because if you get deactivated or something happens, right? Well, if you don't have a dash cam, which we probably don't, so you'll have another choice to earn a living with. And there you go. They're coming.
Did they give any update on to when they're actually going to be launching?
They said by the end of first quarter.
Oh, so next month.
Yeah, shortly. But Bolt is pretty big. I think they're in 46 countries already. Yeah, I think so. If you want to put that back up, I'll just confirm it. I think it was somewhere in something like that. But they're not a small fry. They're not a small fry company. They're a pretty big company.
Yeah, they do ride hail, food delivery, and scooter rentals in more than 45 countries. So
there you go.
They're in Europe, Africa, Asia, and Latin America. So now it looks like they're coming to North America.
Yep. So more competition is a good thing. And welcome Bolt.
Yeah, I'm not complaining. I enjoy seeing multiples.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.